Yeah.
3037. Have a good day. We got this done with. I wanted to have it done earlier, but I just haven't had the money.
I still have money to collect from him, which I will do in the future.
Plaintiff Ronald Joe Danick says the defendant is his son-in-law's brother, and Ronald claims he has had a rough life due to his drug addiction. Ronald is suing because
sorry.
the defendant
What'd you do?
No, her nail was caught on it.
Oh.
Defendant Michael Cohen says he started using drugs and alcohol when he was 13 years old, and says he struggled with his addiction on a daily basis. Michael says he has now been sober for 5 years and tries to help other addicts who are struggling. Michael is countersuing for defamation of character.
Start with you.
Sir, this is my wife Sandra. She's with me here today to support my case. I'm originally from Detroit, Michigan. I understand about a mile from where